in this exercise, you can see examples in the past tense in perfect. But the problem is there is no helping verb. We have to decide which helping verb we have to use. So remember, we are looking at the sentence, we are analyzing the meaning of the sentence. If we have a change of location, position, or consciousness, we are using sein, of course conjugated in the right form, but if not, in every other case we are using haben, the helping verb haben. So if there's no movement, no change of state, no change of position or consciousness, then haben. Let's start with the first example. So in English, the sentence would be, I have eaten today. Any ideas? What would we say in German?
Ich habe heute gegessen.
Very good. I have eaten today. Ich habe heute gegessen, and this is completely correct. Why haben? Why not sein?
Because we have to check the verb gegessen, which is like eaten, right? So we're not moving when we're eating.
Yes.
So why habe?
Yes, very good. So no change of location or consciousness or position. This is a really passive activity. So we are using the helping verb haben. Ich habe heute gegessen. I have eaten today. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. She has gone to work already.
Sie ist schon zur Arbeit gegangen.
Very
because
good.
she's changing location, right? When she's going to work.
Very good. So she is going to work. She is changing her location from A to B. So this is a real verb of movement. And we have to use helping verb sein. Amazing. Sie ist schon zur Arbeit gegangen. She has gone to work already. This sentence is a bit longer. Let's repeat it one more time in German.
Sie ist schon zur Arbeit gegangen.
Very good. Sie ist schon zur Arbeit gegangen. This is correct. Amazing. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have watched this movie before.
Wir haben diesen Film schon gesehen.
Very good. Wir haben diesen Film schon gesehen. Why haben?
Yeah, because again, gesehen, it's passive, so we're not moving from point A to B when we're watching the film, so that's why it's haben, because it's not a moving verb.
Very good. This is completely correct. Wir haben diesen Film schon gesehen. Let's repeat one more time.
Wir haben diesen Film schon gesehen.
Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have learned a lot in this course. Okay, what would we use here?
Wir haben in diesem Kurs viel gelernt.
Fantastisch, fantastic. This is completely correct. Wir haben in diesem Kurs viel gelernt. It is not a verb of movement. So learning again is a passive activity. Movement is not required. Therefore, we have to use helping verb haben. We would say, wir haben in diesem Kurs viel gelernt. Let's repeat one more time.
Wir haben in diesem Kurs viel gelernt.
Okay, very good. Let's move on to the next one. She has traveled to Italy many times. She has traveled, okay?
Okay, sie ist schon oft nach Italien gereist.
Let me help you a bit with this one. Whenever you have this combination EI in German, we are reading it as Ei. Ei, Ei. Gereist. Sie ist schon oft nach Italien gereist. Here, you say we have to use helping verb sein. Why?
Because she traveled. So she was moving from A to B because it's traveling. So that's why it's moving verb.
Yes, very good. Amazing. When traveling, of course, it's just natural to move from A to B. It is a real verb of movement. Sie ist schon oft nach Italien gereist. Let's repeat one more time.
Sie ist schon oft nach Italien gereist.
Very good. And the last one, he has stayed at home.
Er ist zu Hause geblieben.
Very
And
good.
because
So,
this was an exception, right?
yes, so there's actually a saying in German, having a exception only proves that we actually have a rule. So without exceptions, there are no rules. It is kind of philosophical, but it is a really popular saying in German. I just feel like they are trying to justify that they have so many exceptions for all the rules that they have, but this is one of them. So it is not a verb of movement, no change of any kind, but still we have to use helping verb sein, and we would say ist zu Hause geblieben. Ist zu Hause geblieben. Let's repeat one more time.
Er ist zu Hause geblieben.
Very good. Okay, so this is the exercise. Very good. Sehr gut gemacht. Well done. We are finished with the first exercise. Okay, so how are we feeling about the helping verbs now? Is everything clear?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. Good. So then we are done